Hey everybody, Chris here. Is Dogecoin getting ready to blast off? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we were live on Monday evening. We were watching the charts, and Ryan had said, hey, what's going to happen with Doge next? Probably a little retrace. And I said, yes, going to be a retrace. Called up the Bitcoin heat map and said it's going to follow Bitcoin. We're going to see Bitcoin probably dip down to about 66.6 to take out this leverage. And that's exactly what happened last night. That's right, I'll show you that. But where's Dogecoin going to go from here? There are predictions for the immediate and a little bit more long-range futures of Doge. We're going to take a look at those as well. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at the news and the charts, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we start here looking at the Dogecoin chart right around 14.2. This is the 14.3 line, and we have been following this 14.3 line now for 3 days. That's right. Well, 4 days now, since Friday. That's right. Since Friday, we got up to 14.3. We've been following this up and down action sideways. Bitcoin has been doing not as well as Doge. Bitcoin had come up to 68K and even up to 69, but then dropped. And especially last night, we had this drop here. Again, we were live when Bitcoin was up at this level at about 67.6, and then dropped down here to 66.6. And well, if you follow me on X Twitter, you know last night that I did post this. That will you look at that? Bitcoin price dropped right down to 66.6. Exactly as I predicted just 4 hours ago during my live stream, leveraged liquidations. That's right, we had identified that line as being one that we wanted. This is where Bitcoin dropped down to. This tail down took out all of this leverage here, these big yellow pieces, and that's what I was looking at. And that's what happens when we have these sideways consolidation periods, is you've got a lot of traders opening new leveraged long trades, 2x, 5x, 10x, whatever. And look at that. Right after that came down and wiped out all that leverage, when the price hit that, all this new leverage was created. Again, here at 66.6, 66.5, right in that range. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin go back down to this level and take out more of that leverage. We look at what was shaken out here. $48 million in Bitcoin trades liquidated, 46 on ETH, and here we have Doge, again, $8 million in Doge. That's right, on the big trades, here's one this morning, a $439,000 trade, one trade of Dogecoin at 14.14 that got liquidated this morning. So again, big money trying to ride the wave as prices go up, and they're doing it with leverage, and the market makers do not want you to win. So Dogecoin and SpaceX, upcoming crypto-funded space missions. Is this what we're going to see for blast off? So this goes back to 2021 when Elon said he was going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. There was this Doge 1 CubeSat mission. All of this very exciting talk about the Doge 1 mission and all of that. And it's just kind of fizzled out. There are no updates. We don't know what's going to happen with this, but could future SpaceX missions happen? And will Dogecoin continue to play a role? It's all speculation. It's all speculation at this time. We have no idea. So we got to hold on to that. But I mean, this was the latest update from Geometric Energy was October 9th, 2023. So that was over a year ago, talking about the Doge 1 moon mission. And again, no update at all since then. Samuel Reed is, I don't even know what his role is here. He says he's the GEC CEO, but he's involved in this Doge 1 token. So a token was created. The Doge was even pumping it. And so maybe they're trying to make money back by doing some stupid token. And Marcus says, send it all to zero and let's be done with this terrible joke already, because we're all kind of done. We're done with this. I just don't know if anything is really going to happen here. However, that doesn't stop Dogecoin. That's right. Dogecoin price soars with whale activity. Will it hit 37 cents? Could we have 37 cents by the end of October? Dogecoin creating excitement in the crypto world, remains a favorite among retail traders. Recently, actions from large investors raised hopes for a big price increase, and $1.9 billion of 24-hour trading volume. So this trading volume still very strong, and we do have a significant indicator of Dogecoin's potential is its holder profitability. Recently reached a 4-month high, 81%. That's right, 81% of all circulating Doge is now in profit. And that number will just continue to go up as Doge's price goes up, of course. And we have short-term holders, those who have held for 30 days, almost all in profit. And those short-term holders have now surpassed long-term holders. So a lot of new wallets holding Dogecoin. And of course, the long-term potential is Dogecoin is like the Bitcoin of meme coins, according to Crow. You don't like it? Too bad. Doge is going to $1. Again, looking at these 4-year cycles, and we're expecting big gains. Now, they also say that this is whale activity, and you might have heard about this 155 million Doge worth $21.65 million through Robinhood markets. And as soon as I saw Robinhood markets, I said, that's not a whale buying. That's most likely just Robinhood moving coins around from wallet to wallet. Probably not a large purchase. Again, that's why you guys watch me, right? To keep things real, because I don't think that's any big new purchase at all. But 37 cents just keeps showing up again and again. And where these numbers come from are based on the charts. Again, I've been looking at 35 cents myself. Crypto Universe, he's talking about this, looking at this chart. He's got his green line here at 37 cents. He thinks that's going to be by the end of October in the next 2 weeks, and then do a retrace and then go much higher, most likely up over $1. Everyone will be in disbelief soon when Doge trading above $1 very soon. But Crypto Universe says, hey, true, but we got to stay humble. So let's not get ahead of ourselves with that. Let's get that first run going first. And I agree with that. So a rally to $1. A lot of people talk about Doge going to $1. I'm saying too soon for that. Too soon for that. We're still at 14 cents. We've got a long ways to go. But is Doge ready for takeoff? So the self-proclaimed Dogecoin lead analyst on X, Kevin Capital. Yes, Kev, I like looking at Kev's charts. Is he a lead analyst? I don't know. You tell me. But he's indicating that price is ready to take off to the moon. And here's Kev's tweet here. The 2-week money flow on Doge just crossed green for only the 3rd time in history. The previous times this occurred, March of 2021, November of 2017. Take a look for yourself to see what price did follow after those dates. I'll give you one hint. So we look at the 4-year cycles and we're like, the money flow is setting up again for yet another big run on the price of Doge. It's all getting very exciting. We feel the momentum building. And so what does AI say? AI predicts Dogecoin price for Halloween 2024. Does AI think that Dogecoin is going to get up to 31 or 37 cents by the end of October? So, known for its unpredictable nature, Doge has been a trick-or-treat favorite for traders in recent years. October 31st is just around the corner. The price predictions advanced machine learning models forecast a potential 15.33 cent Dogecoin price. 15 cents, representing almost an 8% increase from its current value at 14.2 cents. So what is this based on? It's looking at technical analysis indicators like the moving average convergence divergence, that's the MACD, relative strength index, the RSI, or the Bollinger Bands, and others. And they said, look, in 2023, where was Dogecoin on Halloween? It was 6.8 cents. That's right, 6.8 cent Doge in 2023. In 2022, it was at 11.6 cents. In 2021, after the big run up to 73, it was recovering back with a second run following Bitcoin. It was at 26 cents. It actually ended up going up to about 35, while Bitcoin was hitting $69,000 and its all-time high in 2021. But look at 2020. The price of Dogecoin on Halloween was 0.0026. That's right. So that was 4 years ago. So if in 2024, the price is going to be 15 cents on Halloween, where do you think Doge is going to go from there? So that's what we have today. This, again, was Bitcoin dropping down, again, to wipe out leverage. And even Doge, although going much more sideways than Bitcoin, I think a lot of buying pressure is holding Doge up, and we're not seeing those huge drops, but we do see some taking out some leverage here and there. People are going to bet with leverage, and every time we have this up and down trading, you know those leverage buys are going to get liquidated. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Is Dogecoin ready to blast off? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.